Hey, what's up guys? I'm in a super good mood today. Hope you are too. Thank you to everybody that clicks on my videos. I seriously can't believe that after 6 months, you guys are still watching an idiot talk about his journey in the DeFi and in the passive income space. On this channel, we're branching out from Drip and Animal Farm. I've said it many times. I got to come up with a new YouTube channel name. It's just a matter of time. I'm still waiting for that perfect name. If you got it, leave it for me in the comment section. But we're really talking about not being married just to any certain asset class, because none of the millionaires I know really give a rat's where they're making money as long as they're making money. So for me, I think about it as a four-legged stool. In my life, I want to be exposed to real estate, stocks, crypto, and ECOM. This week, we've been talking about e-commerce because, as you know, I invited my friends, my Anti95 Club. These used to be competitors of mine. Here you can meet Alex. This is the guy behind what we were talking about.
What's up, guys? This is Alex from the Anti95 Club. Super excited to show you guys this video. What we're going to do is we're going to answer all your questions.
Okay, super awesome, guys. And we actually sold out yesterday, okay? Because the price, I told you, was so freaking cheap. To have Facebook automation, 90-day launch, plus the course for $6,000, it's ridiculous. Now, all I'm saying is, if you want to build passive income for yourself, you should have exposure to things outside of crypto, outside of real estate, outside of stocks. You should expose yourself to the four-legged stool, baby. That's what I'm trying to do. So when it comes to e-commerce, right now you have an opportunity. You can get in the game or you can ignore it. You don't have to hate. You can just sit on the sidelines. But I know for a fact all my clients make passive income every month. I just can't take on any more clients. So I'm working with my competitors, and we set up something that is super cool where you get the course. If you want to do it yourself, you can keep 100% of the profits. Or if you want to work with them, they'll launch your store. They'll create a Facebook shop. They're going to do it all for you, and they're going to do it in 90-day window. All of that. So it's sold out. I talked with them. They said, yeah, that's fine. Do open up 5 more spots. So if you want it, links are in the description. Yesterday, it was amazing. This is what I'm talking about. All week, we've been talking about this. How to make money on Facebook, right? Then you've got me saying, check out this next video. And then this is the most important video right here. So if you haven't watched this video, do it. It's my interview with Wayne, one of the co-founders. And I say, this is better than any DeFi project. Yes. Why do I say that? Because most of DeFi projects, the well runs dry. All right. You just saw this with my Diamond Team version 2. Check it out. This is my Diamond Team version 2. If I click reinvest, look what happens. Come on. Nothing. It's because this thing died. Now, I made out really well. I played in the lines. All right. I did not play outside the lines. I played the game and I did well. I have 49 BNB deposited and I withdrew 118. That looks like I made 237% ROI. That's pretty good. Now, this thing is now dead. So don't invest in my Diamond Team version 2. Now you say, yeah, but is it bad that it died? No, all these miners are designed to eventually die. That's the way it is, guys. That's the DeFi space. The people that get in early make money. The people that know how to play the game will win. The problem with you is you keep treating DeFi like it's a loyalty thing, like we're trying to become friends and build a community. Crypto is a solo sport. You hear that from Stun and Breezy. You hear that from all these guys that you watch. Like, that's how they play the game. It truly is a solo sport. And this is why I preach. If you're going to get in these DeFi projects, understand the high risk that they are and get in early, get your initial deposit back. This is what James Pelton does the same. If you watch him, he does the same thing. He teaches the same thing. And I just had a great conversation with him, by the way. That's the way to play the DeFi space. And the other thing too is you don't need a DeFi project to last forever to make ROI on it, okay? So have fun in the casino known as DeFi. Until we get massive regulation on stable coins, this is just going to be a crap show, okay? Now, Drip, as long as we get Scratchy's utility, adding burn mechanisms, I think it has a long run rate, okay? Piston, as long as we get that race with Piston, we're going to do just fine, okay? So this is Piston, by the way, if you're looking at what this is, you can see the price has just recovered greatly from 612 to 615. I'm just kidding, guys. But they're working on a game. In fact, in our Telegram group, I was just talking to their main developer on their game. July 28th, they're doing a conference in LA. They're going to show what the game looks like. Now, I am being so annoying to their dev team because they want to launch the game April 2023. I said, no, you got to get this thing out soon. So for me with Piston, I'm not worried about it going like to zero because eventually once they add the game, it's going to draw in demand. And because it's a gamified token now, there's utility, there's a burn mechanism. The same with Drip. Once you get Drip going for us, and you add these scratchies, these scratch off tickets, it's like a burn mechanism. So everything is supply and demand, right? So all of a sudden the supply is going to get burnt over time as more and more people play the scratch off. Why will people be drawn to play the scratchy ticket game? Because they want to, it's like a lottery. Why do people go to a casino? It's the hope that their $5 turns into $100. Now, 90% of the players just lose the $5, but 10% might win. So let me pull this up, guys. I want to pull up the actual update from the man himself, Forex Shark. We're going to look at that, and then we're going to teach you a special word that I just really, because I see a lot of people in the comments, and you're like, how come you're doing this to the community? Guys, that mentality is not going to get you anywhere. I know all your tribal leaders are going to tell you that, but they're playing the solo sport, man. So get woke. They don't care about you. They're playing towards what's in their best interest. It's just the way it is. Like, you don't have to like it. It's just the real world, and it's my opinion. So this is what Forex Shark announced today. You can see July 7th. He said, for Drip, we are updating the UI. All right, we've heard that before. We have a new contract to incentivize people to use the faucet and reservoir. Great. We're upgrading the team airdrops so many can be sent out in the TX. Now, if you join my team, I won't send any airdrops because I'm a horrible person. And we have an awesome new utility, which, by the way, we just sent. I did an airdrop yesterday. Also, the Drip USD farm will be open very shortly. It's a hacker game. Oh, look at this. There's a hacker game I've waited to build for 2 years. I finally built it, and it's coming to the animal farm. Awesome, awesome. Development will be finished this week. Okay, remember, he said development's finished this week, not it's launching this week. All right? I have a meeting tomorrow to wrap it up. The last thing we are doing now is getting all the animation art assets finished. Okay, that's a lot. Has a meeting today with the studio, blah, blah, blah. Also, Scratchy will have an affiliate marketing program. Great. I know how much you guys love affiliate links. You hate referrals. You hate YouTubers that prey on people, right? Click the link below. What's beautiful about my channel is you don't ever have to click the link. Don't ever click my referral links. Use someone else's because I'm a horrible person. All right. It will be 100% complete on the 17th this month. Guys, the 17th, if I pull up my calendar, guys, the 17th of July. So we're looking at, that's a Sunday, literally like 10 days from now. 10 days from now, it will be 100% complete. We are going to have a 1-month heavy promotion period. Oh. So we're going to have a month after it's complete to promote it. I brought on a pretty high-end marketing firm who handled the
marketing for Matic, Shopping.io. Where are all these projects, by the way? Sandbox and a bunch of other big projects, and they'll be handling out paid marketing campaign on the run at the
launch. Then we will host the service. You know what? What's the marketer guy? He says, marketing is the price you pay for not being remarkable. Who says that? I have their book. Is it? I think it's Malcolm Gladwell said that. But that's fine. I mean, Tesla doesn't do marketing. There's a debate as to whether marketing is, but whatever. I don't care. I want to know, like, where is that money coming out of? Then we will host the service on Drip and Animal Farm and start taking requests from other platforms that want to host. It's a white label service, so it will be hosted using an iframe with the platforms theming their own treasury. And 20% of all the BNB used to buy tickets, the Scratchy tickets, on that platform goes to buying back their assets. So Scratchies is like a completely different thing. All right. It's not within the Drip protocol. It's not within the Animal Farm, but it utilizes those tokens. So it's going to be a totally different platform, if you will. Also, 0.02% goes to whoever facilitates the deal. So that could be the developers themselves or ideally someone in the community who reaches out and makes it happen. There's also revenue sharing of 20% BNB to buy tickets on all platforms. Goes to the vaults, paid out to people who take. So you're going to be able to stake your NFT, which is your Scratchy. Your Scratchy is an NFT. You stake it. You get a little bit of passive income. You can sell your NFT. The NFTs have been, they've got this like theta decay, similar like options trading in the stock market to ensure that staking pool is not diluted. The tickets will be sold on a secondary market as well as people who bought the ticket for a chance to win a prize but are not interested in staking. There's a whole lot more to it, but we will be releasing the papers at the end of the month. Okay. So either way, now you might be frustrated because you're like, oh, we don't need another AMA. We don't need another announcements. We just need freaking delivery. Show me the goods. Either way, I'm excited because at least things are moving in the right direction. All right. We're hearing from Forex. There is developments. We just got to continue to be patient, which if you're in Drip and Animal Farm, all you know is patience. All you know is a lot of patience. Okay. So quick update though. Yesterday, as you guys know, we talked about Anti95 Club, which is their website right here, ECommerce. Yeah, these guys have been great. You can go to their Instagram. Some of you wanted to hear testimonials as to people that are doing Facebook automation. Just go to their Instagram, click on testimonials. You can watch them here.
Around the 3,000 range, which I was super content with. And then like 2 to 3 months.
Hey, huge shout out to the Anti95 Club.
So I've had my shop since the end of February, and we're already doing over $10,000 in sales and $2,000 in profit.
All right, so there's some testimonials. You guys were asking about that. There is another 5 spots left. There's so many ways that you can make a passive income in today's world. I don't know what the excuses are. Now, some of you are like, I only want to hear you talk about drip. Only drip. And that's the problem. Loyalty ain't going to get you anywhere. You say, what do you mean? Loyalty? Well, I mean loyal to your wife, loyal to your family, loyal to your job. That's all great. But in crypto, listen to me. It's a solo sport. Whether you like it or not, whether you acknowledge it or not, it's still a solo sport. So the key word I want to teach you, I'm a stacker. What does that mean? A stacker is someone who's given up on the idea that there's this silver bullet coin or the silver bullet protocol that's going to get you to become a multimillionaire. If you keep waiting for that, you'll wait forever. It's not going to happen. You've got to become a stacker. That means find 10 to 20 different little ROI type projects, whether it's in DeFi, e-commerce, or in stocks. Okay? Get involved in those. Have 10 to 20 of those paying you passively every month. Then you're not reliant on one of them going to the moon. Then you just add them all up and they all add up together. So you guys know, all right? You've followed my channel. You know that I have all sorts. I've got drip. I've got this. Now this one's done. Now imagine if I was only all about my diamond team. Look at, what would that get me? I'd have nothing to show for it, but good thing I'm not. It's only one portion of my pie. So this guy goes away. Ava race, I was in this, all right? I'm in the miners. I'm in the refinery. Got the piston, got the drip, got the animal farm. I was in baked beans. Look at guys, I wonder, like, I haven't put any new capital in this sucker, okay? Oh, it doesn't show, frick. But I still making a couple bucks out of these suckers. Now these, would I advise you to get in these now? No, of course not. Okay, they've had their day. That's what you got to understand about the DeFi space. Anyways, become a stacker. That's what I'm trying to do. Just stack up all these little projects. I put them all in an Excel spreadsheet with their website, how much initial capital I started with. Like, this is all what taking your little hobby and making it an actual real passive income. And so I want to give you guys that chance one more time. If you're not exposed to ECOM, what a great opportunity. You can either get the course and figure out how to hire a VA, how to have your Facebook account printing passive income for you every month. All right. We've got clients that make a couple $100 a month. We got some clients that are making a couple $1,000 a month. Anywhere in between. It all depends on the Facebook algorithm. I wish that I could give more definite answers, but because people ask, like, what is the ROI you're seeing? Each account is so different. That's what makes it frustrating, is we're constantly, me and my team, and I'm sure that these guys from Anti95 Club as well, they're doing the same thing. We're always trying to hack the Facebook algorithm to increase our sales. That's the way this game is played. But if you are interested, guys, I'm not kidding. I would check them out. It's literally the cheapest you'll ever find automation in anything. So this is them. I'll leave the link in the description. There's some testimonials, how it works, blah, blah, blah. But if you do want the discount, you've got to go to my channel link. I'll put it in this link. You just click on this, and then you go right here. Boom. You can get the course, promo code seller40, or here. So If you have questions, let me know in the comments. And that's it for this video. Become a stacker. Crypto, stocks, real estate, ECOM. Don't be married to an asset class. Stop thinking about just being loyal to a community. That's loyalty to what? What are you talking about? Like, I'm loyal until I would be loyal, but like, you've seen people drop the ball. Like, you have to adjust as new data comes in. When people change, you should adapt. You know, if all of a sudden you're married 5 years in and then your husband starts beating you, you don't go, well, I'm loyal, I'm just going to stick around. No, you get the frick out there. Why? Because you got new data to work off. Okay? Things change. So that's the way it is. You always got to be pivoting in DeFi. And remember, your goal here is not to make a bunch of friends. It's to make money. All right? And you should be unapologetic about that. You're here to become an investor. You want to make passive income. That's what. There's other hobbies. Go play golf if you want to have friends. Okay? But in the world of DeFi, everybody is playing their game to make monies. Rest assured, they have their own self-interest in mind. Don't get sad about that. Don't get mad about that. Play the game. If that's the rules of the game, play the game. Crypto's a solo sport. Become a stacker. Stop looking for the silver bullet. Stop being married to an asset class. Add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20 projects, paying you a little something, something. That's what James Pelton's doing. That's what all the guys, Mike, my partner, that's what we're doing, guys. So play that game. Nobody's married to a certain project. And I think that's a mistake I probably made, is starting my YouTube channel with the name Drip Farm. Drip Animal Farm. Oh well, lessons learned, right? I gotta find a new name. Let me know the new name. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you. Click the links below. All my haters. Look forward to reading all your comments. It's funny. I have some grown men that literally leave hateful comments, and I'm like, bro, I feel so sorry for you, because it's like, I can't imagine spending my time just hating on someone I don't know. Like, if you don't like a YouTuber, just unsubscribe. All right, guys, I love you. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.